In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create teams in Monday.com, a perfect solution for organizing and collaborating within your projects. Whether you're new to Monday.com or simply looking to enhance your experience, this tutorial will guide you through creating teams efficiently, all in under 5 minutes. First, let's get started by navigating to the Monday.com website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in monday.com. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. There you'll see the login button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Now on the login screen you have a couple of options to get signed in. If you prefer using your Google account, go ahead and click on sign in with Google. Alternatively, you can also type in the email address associated with your monday.com account. Choose whichever method is more convenient for you. For those using Google, make sure to select the correct email address you'll be working with if you have multiple accounts. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your home page. Here it's time to focus on the upper right corner again, where your avatar is located. When you click on your avatar, a menu will pop up. This is where you'll find various options, so scroll down from this menu until you come across Teams. Clicking on Teams will open up a new screen and you'll notice a plus new team option on the left. Select this option as it's the beginning of setting up your team. You'll need to enter a name for your team, so take a moment to think of something fitting that will represent your new group. After entering your team's name, you'll see a drop down menu below. This is where you get to choose the team members you'd like to add. Simply click on the teammates you want to include and they will be added to your team roster. With your team members chosen, you're almost done. The last step in this creation process is to click on Create. Once you click this, your new team page will pop up on your screen. Here you can continue to customize it by uploading a picture or a cover image to personalize the team's appearance. If you need to add more users or teammates, it's straightforward. Just click on Add Users and repeat the process. Congratulations! You've successfully created a team in Monday.com, ready to tackle any projects you have lined up. If you have any customization or further additions to make, now's the time to do it. Keep exploring and enjoy your collaborative journey on Monday.com.